Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rolled leather handles. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a very sharp leather knife or rotary cutter, a skiving tool, and a sturdy ruler. Don't forget your contact cement, a bone folder, and some clamps. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. A clean, well-lit workspace is also key for precision. Now, let's prepare our leather. Begin by cutting your leather strips to the exact length and width you need for your handles. A common width is 1 inch. Next, carefully skive the edges of your leather strips. This creates a thin, even taper, which is crucial for a smooth roll. Finally, apply a very thin, consistent layer of contact cement to one side of each strip, allowing it to become tacky. With the cement tacky, it's time to roll. Carefully begin rolling the leather strip from one end, keeping the roll as tight and even as possible. As you roll, use your bone folder to firmly press and smooth the leather, ensuring good adhesion and a consistent shape. Take your time to eliminate any air bubbles and maintain a uniform thickness throughout the entire handle. This step requires patience for the best results. To finish, trim any excess leather from the ends of your rolled handles. This creates a clean, professional look. You can also lightly sand the ends for a smoother edge. Finally, apply a good quality leather conditioner to protect your new handles and enhance their durability and appearance. This will keep them looking great for years to come. For more great tips and deals, including the amazing Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.